This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm doing a piece I'm calling Surfs Up. The colors are listed here. We have, from the top, it's Mermaid, Pinot Gris, Meteorite, Teal, Cobalt Turquoise, a custom blue, and Indigo. Putting down my pillow paint now, this PPG Multi-Pro in eggshell, and it is my go-to for white pillow. It is incredibly stretchy, and I love the way it holds up the colors. First color, this is the Indigo. This is by Atelier Interactive. It's mixed 3 parts of my pouring medium to 1 part paint. If you're interested in knowing how I mix my paints, I have a series of 3 videos you can check out, and the link for those will be down in the description below. My next color is Meteorite. Meteorite is a gray with a graphite and silver look to it. Very useful color for a lot of things. Picked up my swiping tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this out just a little bit. A little mistake there. I actually buried some of my paint, but it works out at the end. I'm putting in the back of my tool now. I'm putting the titanium white cell activator and my color layers. Swipe across and around. Now, my cell activators for this were titanium white by Amsterdam, lamp black by Amsterdam, and iridescent gold deep also by Amsterdam. It's mixed with 3 parts floetrol, Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I'm just looking and waiting for the cells to start to develop. I'm going to pick it up and start stretching it. I want to kind of take my time with this and get so my cells don't get wonky on me. This video today is being done all in real time. So if it seems painfully slow, it is. I'm going to cut out quite a bit on this. This is a total painting I think took me almost an hour to paint, and I've condensed it down to I think around 5 minutes. So you're not seeing everything that was done with it, but you're seeing the speed at which it happened as I was stretching and as I was spinning. It's about time to spin. I want you to notice that I'm not spinning very fast at all. I'm more concerned about keeping my cells intact. And the whole point of spinning here is to open up those cells and also to get some paint off the canvas. It's a 14-inch round. After a ton of spinning, it's about time for the flyover. I want you to notice that the cells and the lacing with this couldn't be better. And I'm especially liking how the interaction between the white and the meteorite created the shadow cells. It's overall, I'll give this 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment down in the comment section below. If you found this video today useful, I invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping that you're finding them both informative and enjoyable. Thanks for being here. Bye now.